Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily change Google Chrome language back to English. So let's get started. So if you have accidentally changed your language into Japanese, Korean, and you are stuck with it and you don't know how to change it, then please watch the whole video. Okay? So let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. From that, you can see here three dots. Please click that to see more. Okay? Then scroll down and go for this gear icon. Just click that. Okay, go for this gear icon. Then click on to proceed. Okay? So once you're here, look at the left side of your screen. Okay? From the bottom, please count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? You can see here a icon which contains actually the languages. Okay? Once you're here, press it or click to proceed. Okay, here. You can see here highlighted, which is phrases that is being highlighted into blue one. Press that. And here you could actually choose, search for English language to make it English. Okay? You can search this at the search icon, type English, and go for this. Okay? Go for this first result. Click that. Then click this blue one, and it will be added here. As you can see, it has this in number 2. Now, how to change it? Click the three dots here and go for this bar icon. Simply click that to mark checked. Okay? Once done, click this, and after that, your Google Chrome will be opened again. And as you can see here, we have just changed the Google Chrome back into English. Okay? You can see here it is now in English in the settings and more. Okay? So that is the way, that is the easy steps on how to change Google Chrome language into English. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as well to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.